Hi, my name is Christine. I thought it would be nice to try vlogging and showing a bit of my life of working full time as an interior designer, doing freelance projects, and doing different hobbies. I hope you'll follow along today. I used to work in luxury residential. I'm thankful to my mentors and the experience, but it just wasn't for me. Now I work with corporate clients. My days are repetitive, but I like the consistency. My day usually consists of a mix of emails, calls, drawing reviews, coordination, and designing floor plans. Luckily, my job alternates 4-day, 5-day weeks. Unfortunately, this is my 5-day week. At least it's Friday. I'm meeting a freelance client later, so I started my day early. I have some time before meeting with my client, and I've been itching to make something. I'll make a necklace to complement my outfit today. I used to make and sell jewelry for a hobby. When I stopped, I sold or gave away materials. My husband encouraged me to save some just in case I wanted to get back into it. I'm glad he did. It's therapeutic to just sit and make things with your own hands. It's been 2 years since I made jewelry, and I remembered how fun it is. It's really hot today, so I put my hair up. Keeping my accessories simple with the necklace I just made, some gold hoops, my watch, and belt. Keeping it casual but clean since I'll be meeting a client. This is what I'll be taking with me today. I'm measuring the space, so I have my laser measure with extra batteries, tape measure, a few pens in case one runs out, blank pieces of paper to take the measurements on, and I have a few paint samples to look at, and a paint deck to look at a few colors. I'm thinking of an accent wall leaning towards a color like this. And they're redoing their floors, so I'm taking a few wood samples with me that I think will look nice in their space.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
It's exactly like how the Capcut did it.
From cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if
I'll take the measurements from today and draft a floor plan on the computer. After that, I'll be putting together a design concept to go along with the floor plan. I'm currently working on 3 different freelance projects. They're each at different stages, so it's easier to manage my time. My freelance projects are residential. Kitchen renovations, bathroom renovations, sometimes it's just decor related like furniture and lighting. I work on these projects during the weekends and sometimes weekday evenings after work.
Even if the sky is falling down,